So we're here at Max24 to demonstrate the latest version of Lucid Link. It's 3.0, it's coming at the end of this year. Collaborate everywhere instantly. And we're showing all the Adobe applications today, including Premiere, After Effects, Illustrator, InDesign and Photoshop for the fully connected collaborative creative workflow. Let's take a look what 3.0 looks like. We're here connected to a file space along with some other global collaborators, and we want to see how easy it is to work together. 3.0 gives us a really simplified user experience where we're able to connect to and mount to a Lucid Link file space directly from our operating system. Here we can see our user in Miami is able to view their Lucid Link file space just like it's a local disk. Now what's really important to know is this data that you can see isn't actually on this machine, it's stored in the cloud. But Lucid Link is able to actually play that back and deliver it to the client as though it's already been downloaded. We can jump to any part of any timeline without having to wait for those files to download. Really, really simple to collaborate with existing projects. Take a look at this. We've got another user over in London who's connected to the same file space. This is a Windows machine. We also support Linux, and we're demonstrating Mac OS and Android apps as well. This user is an administrator, so they're able to change the permissions for other users within the system. We can see our user over in Miami has got a very limited access at the moment, but the 3.0 client gives us the ability to assign permissions to different parts of the file space. Let's jump into the media folder and choose to share this Botanics project with our Lucid Link user. And you'll see as I do that, the folders are going to instantly appear on our desktop here in Miami. This is going to save us tons of time without having to download this file. This is a relatively small project at around 20 gigabytes, but it appeared instantly on my desktop. What we can also do then is, as an administrator, share access to a specific project file. So here, let's do that. We'll change a new part of the file space. We're going to see our projects folder appear. And when I load the project file, there's no need to download that 20 gigabytes of video content. There's no need to save it locally or re-link to it after we've downloaded it. The project opens instantly, the timeline is populated with those assets, and we can simply start streaming into Premiere just like those files were already here. But remember, we were just given them a few seconds ago. They're streaming live from the cloud in real time. What we can do is open the videos in any part of the application. So we're in the source monitor, scrubbing through that timeline. Let's mark an in point and an out point, bring that down into our sequence. Again, just make any edits that we want to make, and I'm going to save the changes to that project file here in Miami. We upload the project file. It's basically instant, very, very small, very, very quick. We can now go to any online computer in the world, install our new Lucid Link 3.0 application, and instantly start working on that project. No downloading, no synchronizing, no waiting for those changes to synchronize. So really, really simple way to collaborate with people around the world. Once we close that project and that production, our remote administrator that we're kind of demonstrating is able to remove access to that project. So let's say we're finished, let's remove access for that user. We're going to see it instantly update on a machine here in Miami. And that could be any size of data set. We can have hundreds of terabytes of video content there, instantly appear on our desktop as though it's been sent to us. We double click and start working without having to wait. So it's a really, really, really cool way to work. We've also got some mobile applications we're showing for iOS and Android that allow you to preview video or image files or any type of data within the file space as well, making it much easier to access and work with your data wherever you are.
Cool, man.